Comme enfant, Chloé préférait manger la cuisine italienne. Cependant, comme adulte, elle préfère manger le barbecue coréen. En revanche, comme enfant, Jace préférait manger les carottes et les crevettes. Comme adulte, il préfère manger la salade et les fruits. So we're going to do our weird translation. I was telling the other kids, I realized that the word traduire, which is to translate in French, sounds kind of like weird. So I said it's going to be the traduire from now on. Okay. So if we say comme enfant, what does that mean? Comme enfant? As a. Now literally it's just as child. We say as a child in English, on dit ça. So everybody with me, as
child, Chloe preferred to eat the Italian. However, as adult, she prefers to eat the barbecue Korean. On the other hand, as a child, Jace preferred to eat the carrots and the shrimp. Right, shrimp. As an adult, he prefers to eat the salad and the fruits.
excellent. All right. So what do you think we should notice about the language here? And this is, you guys should have that written on your paper. And then the stuff that we notice together, the language and grammar stuff we notice, the language notes, you guys need to write that down too. So what things do we need to notice about the words here, or how they fit together? Yes?
Like comme adult or comme adulte and comme enfant. Like it's like as child and as adult instead of as a child and as a adult. As a adult.
Great. Anything else that you guys noticed? What verb tenses are we using there? What past tense are we using? Imperfect tense. And then what are we using for our adult self, or what we're talking about now? Yeah, we are using imperfect tense and present tense. And so what is the ending for imperfect tense that we're using here? Oh, I need to... Yep, there too. So préféré with a T sounds the same. So we're using the ending for imperfect is AIT in this case, and ending for present is E, not 3, E. Okay, so that's, not always the case, but right now it is. Any other things that we should notice? You writing this down, Anatole? Okay. C'est bon? Okay. So you can put everything away once you're doing that, except your pen or a pencil. So put everything away, manger, when you're done writing it down. So, un crayon ou un stylo. I'm going to do a little quick quiz. It's basically impossible to fail this.
Watch me.
I'm going to start checking them on my. So I'll look in your notebook and see what all right. So did you guys ever do dictation, or what they call dictée with Madame before? Yeah, do you remember like where you write in French what the teacher says in French? Do you guys remember ever doing that?
Yeah, but if we did a different thing, it was like we did a game.
Gotcha. But I just mean you've done that before, where like you write in French what someone says in French.
Sure.
Yeah. All right, so in France, it's actually like this huge thing where they have there's apps for it. There's huge nationwide competitions in France for doing what they call dictée. It's actually super fun. I love doing it because French, unlike English, has all these word combinations that can sound the same, but it's completely different words. So it's actually pretty fun. Like if you like crosswords and stuff, it's the same kind of thing. I loved it. But anyway, so we're not going to do that. But dictation is where you're going to write in French what your teacher says in French onto line A. So, and then I'm going to repeat the sentence 3 times. You're going to write on line A what I say in French. And then on line B, you're going to correct it. All right, you ready? Or you're going to write the correction and then circle anything that was different. So all I'm looking for is that you're going to circle the differences. I'm not looking that you write it perfectly the first time. The goal is for you to notice the differences between what you wrote the first time and then what I said. The other thing is if you're perfect, you can just draw a big smiling face next to it. When you're done, you're going to illustrate or translate it in the box. Okay, so you can either write it in English or you can draw a picture. All right. Let me write this down so I don't get it wrong. All right, I'm gonna have to keep it short. Okay, you ready? All right. Comme enfant, elle préférait le chocolat. Comme enfant, elle préférait le chocolat. Comme enfant, elle préférait le chocolat. C'est bon? Okay. So that's the sentence. C'est ça la phrase. Comme enfant, elle préférait le chocolat. Mm-hmm. So if you copy it correctly, first of all, for B, like you wrote your sentence for A. For B, write my sentence. And then circle any differences. If there's no differences, if you got it perfect, just draw a smiley face. Yes?
What if it was literally just an accent?
Then you just circle where the accent was. It doesn't matter. Just so I see that you know where the difference was.
So you have to draw it?
And then either draw or translate. You can just write it in English if you want, or you can draw a picture. Comme enfant, elle préférait le chocolat. Ok. Quand tu es prêt, tu me le donnes. C'est bon? Juste pas fini. C'est bon, merci, Anatole. C'est bon. On va regarder, on a du temps, donc on va regarder un peu plus des écritures de mensonges pour terminer la classe.